More than 40 years ago, a small spacecraft was launched into space. Voyager 1, more than 14 billion miles from Earth, has plunged into the unknown depths of space and made a discovery that has stunned scientists. Built with original technology by today's standards, the spacecraft will continue to work and uncover mysteries that challenge our understanding of the universe. As Voyager 1 ventured into the unknown, it defied expectations. Built at a time when modern computers were still relatively small, this spaceship entered areas of space never before seen by humans. But the question is, in all the discoveries, what different stories are before us in this unknown region? Could these clues from a nearly half-century-old device change everything we know about the world? What Voyager 1 can find will redefine the impossible. In 1965, the world of space exploration was abuzz. Gary Flandreau, an engineer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, did a great job. He had to plan the best way for the spacecraft to reach the giants of the atmosphere, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Using little more than a pen and his knowledge of the world, Flandreau found a land discovery. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, all 4 planets were aligned so that the spacecraft could use its own power to propel itself through space, greatly reducing the time it takes to reach Neptune. It means a 30-year journey that can be completed in just 12 years. But this opportunity in the world is rare, only once every 176 years. NASA knew it had to act fast. They captured space and began Voyager operations. What began as a mission to explore the air giants turned out to be more than anyone imagined. Now, more than 40 years later, Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, continue to travel through space beyond anything man-made. Originally designed for a 4-year mission, they far exceeded their expectations and continued to return valuable information and stunning images of the world. About the size of an old Volkswagen Beetle, these spaceships have become pioneers in space exploration, expanding our understanding of the universe in unimaginable ways. In the early years, Voyagers provided stunning images of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. We've seen volcanic eruptions on Io, ice fields in Europa, and hurricanes in Saturn's atmosphere. Voyager 2 made history as the first spacecraft to fly by Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989, revealing new information about these distant planets that we could only dream of. But the real surprise is how long these machines last beyond their lifespan. Voyager 1, with a scant 69 kilobytes of memory, is still sending signals to Earth, signals that take more than 18 hours to reach us. Equipped with only 8-track tape for data storage and transmitters more powerful than a refrigerator light bulb, Voyager 1 pushed past technological limitations and continued into the unknown. The edge of our solar system, known as the heliopause, is a distant, mysterious region. This marks the end of the heliosphere, the bubble of space dominated by the sun's magnetic field and solar wind. For decades, scientists debated the exact distance of the heliopause. Estimates vary, but Voyager 1 was the first spacecraft to cross this boundary, confirmed to be within 120 astronomical units (AU) of Earth. Deploying the heliopause is quite revolutionary. Voyager 1 is no longer in the protective bubble of our solar system, but has entered interstellar space, where the environment is shaped by the magnetic fields of nearby stars. This region is full of cosmic rays, energetic particles from supernova explosions traveling at nearly the speed of light. As Voyager 1 moved past the planet, scientists predicted that the planet's radiation would increase, but the results were misleading. Instead of the expected increase, many low-energy rays were blocked, leaving experts confused. Interestingly, there were no significant changes in the magnetic fields around Voyager 1. This lack of change fell short of expectations, prompting scientists to re-evaluate what they knew. For the regions of the solar system, Voyager 1's observations of the edge of the heliosphere challenged our understanding of interstellar space, leaving more questions than answers. The mysteries of interstellar space run deep. For years, scientists believed that the magnetic field would shift dramatically once Voyager 1 left the sun's sphere of influence and entered a region dominated by the magnetic fields of other stars. But as Voyager 2, following in its twin's path, crossed the heliopause in 2018, it too failed to detect any significant changes in the magnetic field. This discrepancy between theory and observation has left experts scrambling to understand the nature of interstellar space. Some scientists believe that the spacecraft may still be within the heliosphere, while others argue that the increase in galactic cosmic rays recorded by both Voyagers indicates that they have indeed entered interstellar space. These conflicting interpretations have sparked debates about the true nature of the boundaries between solar and interstellar space. Despite the advanced technology of Voyager 1 and 2, the spacecraft still amazes. Built with 1970s technology, it works with simple yet durable systems. Voyager 2 has 5 instruments, Voyager 1 4. These spacecraft lose power every year by using equipment to convert the heat produced by the radioactive decay of plutonium into electricity. NASA engineers are making difficult decisions about which systems to shut down to conserve energy. Amazingly, even after Voyager 1's cosmic ray detector heater, a critical instrument for detecting the boundary between the heliosphere and interstellar space, is turned off, it continues to operate, disturbing the cold conditions of deep space. If all goes according to plan, Voyager operations could continue into the 2030s, sending significant data from space. However, the spaceship's power will end soon. But even if their fortunes fade, their legacy lives on. In 16,700 years, Voyager 1 will fly past Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to the Milky Way. Voyager 2 follows suit, albeit 3,600 years later. Long after the Earth and Sun have disappeared, Voyagers will continue to circle the Milky Way, a silent witness to the passage of time. These man-made spaceships will outlive humans themselves. They may send a final message, even if no one is left to hear it. The story of Voyagers is a symbol of human curiosity and our constant desire to explore the unknown. Launched in 1977 on powerful Titan-Centrus rockets, the 2 spacecraft set out to explore the giant planets of our solar system. But they have gone far beyond their initial mission, going deep into interstellar space, where no spacecraft has gone before. As the journey continues, travelers are reminded of the endless possibilities for exploration. For more than 40 years, these twin spacecraft have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and continue to inspire us as they chart a path beyond the stars. The discoveries they made and the mysteries they uncovered will forever change the way we see the world.